Okay. We are starting read 2 of Himetsu desu. Or just Himetsu. No desu on the title. So that's cool. Alright. 僕は人にいない。僕は人にいない秘密があります。I have a secret I can't tell other people. この秘密を人に話していません。This secret I can't tell other people. Okay. I should not talk about it to anyone. 多分このアパートに住めなくなるでしょう。I probably will not be able to live in this apartment. だから大家さんにバフって No, it's not フバレてはいけません。So I should not let my landlord know about it. その秘密は僕が飼っている猫です。The secret is I have a cat. The secret is my cat. 猫の名前はトラさん。The cat's name is トラさん。黄と黒の縞模様なのでトラさんと名付けました。Since Tora-san has the yellow-black striped pattern, I named her Tora-san. 僕のパートはペットを飼ってはいません。My apartment does not allow pets. In my apartment, pets are not allowed. 大家さんは動物が漢字木じゃないかもしれません。Something about the landlord. I don't know. Also, the landlord probably does not like animals. 大家さんは少し怖いので、トラさんは漢字にした方がいいです。And the landlord is scary. Something about Tora-san being good. And the landlord is a little scary, so I should keep Tora-san a secret. Tora-san は3月前に樹脂にもらいました。I think this is something about Tora-san being 3 months or getting jisho ni moraimashita. I got Tora-san from my boss 3 months ago. I received Tora-san from my boss 3 months ago. Jisho wa koneko o san biki katteimashita. My boss said, no. Something about the boss and a kitten. My boss had 3 kittens. Dakara boku ni koneko o ippiki kiremashita. So he gave me 1 kitten. Sore ga Tora-san desu. It was Tora-san. Okay, that's actually an entire page, and it's been 6.5 minutes. And that is gonna be enough for today. That actually felt pretty decent, so props for that, I guess.